how to interact with an alert using Selenium WebDriver. By the way, what is an alert? Alert is a JavaScript built modal dialog unless you close it, unable to interact with the DOM elements. So now, how do we switch to an alert? driver.switchTo.alert. Now you move to an alert. What you can do with the alert? There are three types of alert: a simple, confirm, prompt alert. A simple alert can be managed using accept, positive way of closure, dismiss, negative way of closure. In case you want to type on it, you have sendKeys. If you wanted to get the text on the alert, you can use getText. But you need to be watchful to differentiate what is an alert, what is not an alert. The simplest and easiest way to understand if it is an alert, right click and try inspecting it. If you cannot inspect it, then it is possibly a modal dialog which is built on JavaScript. The other way is go to your DOM and try to search for the alert message, and you will end up looking for a JavaScript, then it is supposed to be an alert. In the modern era, you don't see a lot of application coming with alerts. However, if you find one, you have to deal with it by switching on it and then accepting or dismissing it. At times, when you try to inspect an alert, you could inspect them. That is not an alert. Those are all called sweet alert. So how do we deal with the sweet alert? Directly write driver.find element by whatever locator it is. Understand, those are all not alert from Selenium point. It may look like an alert, you directly deal with them. Finally, in case you written a code to deal with an alert, but the alert did not appear, then you get an exception, no alert present exception. Otherwise, you wrote a code not to deal with an alert, but all of a sudden alert came, then you will get unhandled alert exception. Either case, you need to handle the exception and manage it.